What is up, YouTube? Sorry I haven't been keeping you guys updated on this, but obviously last videos we got her running. Now working on taking these fenders off on both sides, and because we got some rot holes we gotta fix, and we have to pull dents on the other side, on the driver's side. But sorry we didn't keep you guys updated. We popped these moldings off, popped this molding off, and then we started peeling this top back. As you can see, it's not in the best condition, but I thought it was going to be worse than this. So we're going to go ahead and sand this all down, patch all these holes up, and yeah. We also got to clip the back seat in on it. Finally got the back window for it. It's all glued in nice. And yeah, get back to you guys.